Show you, I want to show you some love. I want to show you, I want to show you some love. I want to show you, I want to show you some love. I want to show you, I want to show you some love. I want to show you, I want to show you some love. I want to show you, I want to show you some love. I want to show you, I want to show you some love. I want to show you, I want to show you some love. I want to show you, I want to show you some love. I got a song that I'm composing. Let me give you this song to you. Nasazondisiya uyu, nasazondisiya uyu, nasazondiramba uyu, nasazondiramba uyu, nasazondiramba uyu. I want to show you some love. Nasazondiramba, I want to show you some love. Nasazondisiya uyu. Welcome back to Silas at 100 years. Thank you very much for clicking in, and thank you very much for subscribing if you have subscribed. If you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to Silas at 100 years. Beautiful day again, and everything is set, ready for me to go. And my power bank is ready. I want to show you, I want to show you some love. I want to show you. This is my vlog bag with all the things that I may need over the day, during the day. So what a day it is today. So what are we doing today? So just a disclaimer, guys, whatever you're going to see in this video will not be me. I took a few beers before I go and make this video, so whatever you see in this video, just know that I was under the influence. It was not me. So already, let's go. Let's go. I have a train that is going to be leaving at 10 a.m. The time is 10 past 9, so I have to walk about 30 minutes to the train station right here in Darlington, UK. So you know that this is my apartment. This is where I'm living these days, in a one-bedroom apartment, one room. So I'm going to be taking a train from Darlington to Newcastle. I was in Newcastle yesterday, and I believe you have seen some of the videos that I created when I was in Darlington yesterday. So if you have not seen those videos, kindly go back and check those videos that I posted yesterday when I visited Newcastle for the very first time. One of the beautiful towns that you see here in UK. So I didn't finish exploring the places that I wanted to, and I'll never finish. The town is so big with so many bridges, so many things to watch, so many things to see. But anyway, today I'm not going to be in Newcastle town. I'm gonna go to the beach side. It's called Whitley Bay Beach. So that's where I'm going. So come with me, let's go and see Whitley Bay Beach. Let's go and see what's there. Newcastle. It's one town that I always wanted to go because of this Premier League National Soccer Premier League team, the English Premier League team called Newcastle. I passed through the stadium, the Newcastle Stadium, and I passed through their official store. I wanted to buy a jersey for £80, and somebody said, "Nah, you're not doing that. You're not doing that. I got kids that need to go to a trip, so you need to gonna give me that money." Today, I'm hoping that I'll go back to that shop and buy the Newcastle jersey. It's a very nice black and white official home ground jersey. So let's go to Newcastle and see what's there. Come on, let's go. I want to show you some love. I want to show you some love. I want to show you some love. Nasazondisiya uyu, nasazondikoniwa, nasazozviona uyu kuti azviite zvanoita izvo. Let's go. Can I kindly ask you guys to give the video a like? Can I kindly ask you to please give the video a like? You do not know how that does to my channel, and kindly consider subscribing as well if you have not subscribed. I would really appreciate it. And can you show me some love as well by making sure that you don't skip the adverts? That's the best way to support me. If you don't skip the adverts, you are a hero on my channel, because that's how I earn a little bit of revenue. So please try and watch those adverts and stick to the adverts and stick to the video and watch it until the end. Share the video as well, please, and just hit the like button. The like button, you know, that like button, that thumbs up. Please kindly do so, because that's how my videos will reach to other people. So I really appreciate for those who are liking the video. We get 1,000 views, 10,000 views, and sometimes we don't get any likes. Can you please like the video, please? I beg you. Yeah, I know that sometimes you do not like the video, but if you feel like this video is tickling you a bit, kindly like the video, please. I beg you. So I'm just passing this park here, North Lodge Park, as I go towards town, as I walk towards town, Darlington town. I'm sure I've seen the video that I posted when I was walking around the town, this town called Darlington. And I see someone who is speaking Shona, the Zimbabwean. So this is the name of the park, North Lodge Park. So if you come later in the day here, you will see that here there is a playground for kids. So after school, kids will come and play in this playground with their parents. Yes, so you can come and chill here. There's benches where you can sit, and you can park your bike here if you have one. And you see the big trees, you can enjoy the fresh air from these big trees. So I'm walking through this town that is I'm going to approach just now, on my way to the train station, and I will be traveling to Newcastle. It's just 30 minutes, and the train costs £10. How much did I pay? £11.90 return train ticket to Newcastle from Darlington, and it takes only 30 minutes. It's very quick, and it's you know, the best way to travel here, you know, in UK. So let's go and see what is in Whitley Bay, and see what is in Whitley Bay. I want to show you some love. Nasa Zuzukuni wow. I want to show you some love. So what's happening is that I am passing through this street. This is what they call High Street. In most towns in the UK, they call them High Street. Hello. Say that again?
It's your photo.
Oh, you need a photo?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No.
Oh, you don't need it. How are you? What's your name? What are you doing? What are you selling? Stefan.
Yeah.
Oh, what are you selling?
Two. What's your name?
My name, Silas. Yeah. What are you selling?
Bigger show.
Oh, okay. What is it?
£4. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice one. Nice seeing you. High Street. So this is High Street. I don't know what he's selling, but he's selling something. So I'm sure you've seen the video I did about this, videos, not only one, videos I did about this town. So this is the High Street. As you can see, it's still early in the morning. It's quiet. It gets busy because it's high as in it, because it gets high, it gets busy. That's what it means when they say High Street. So I'm passing through this High Street on my way to the train station. And you see, it looks very clean, nice, chilled, quiet, not so busy, you know. It's just nice, it's just good, it just feels good. See, but I'm tempted to just keep on showing you these places, showing you UK, United Kingdom. See, I know it's gonna be a long video, but I hope you stick around as you enjoy the streets here. Just crossing the street here, and walking down. I should be 10 minutes to the train station. What is the name of this street? You know, look at this. This is beer. These guys are dropping some. Hey, how's it? Dropping some beers. There's lots of bars here in this country, and people tend to drink a lot. I never expect this in UK, but people do drink abundantly. There's lots of clubs, pubs as they call them here, and they're very nice. They're chilling, they're big, you know, they're not crowded. I mean, it's a really good business. There's a church here, big church. Churches here are also one thing that I see were built with a mission and with almost the same plan. So I don't know much. So this is the parish of St. Cuthbert. So I also have to cross this river here and cross those robots on my way to the train station this side. So I'll see you when I'm in the train station. I'm talking a lot, isn't it? I told you, whatever you're going to see here, it's not me who will be talking. I will be under the influence of that one bottle that I took. So it's not me. If you see something suspicious, just know that it's not really me. It's something else, someone else who is speaking. And that is it. I want to show you some love. So this is the Darlington train station, and here on my left you can see big cars that are parked that side. Mostly, I'm sure the owners of those cars have traveled to London, Liverpool, Manchester, Newcastle, Leeds, and many other places. So they leave their cars here parked, get in a train because it's quick to use a train here in the UK, and they go to different parts in the UK and come back probably the same day, because it's just a few hours to get to any destination of your choice. So here also you see taxis, and that's the runway there on that side. Not runway, it's called a railway line, the line. And you see this old-fashioned metal thing, you know. So this is the Darlington train station. We're just getting here. I'll get in a taxi. I'm 30 minutes ahead of time. So that's a police van. You'll be arrested if you vlog. I'm kidding. So let's go. Here for men, 1 in 8 men will get prostate cancer. 1 in 8 men will get prostate cancer. Trans-Pennine Express. Azuma. My train cross country has arrived, and I will be leaving.
Minister Gayton Mackenzie.
Farms. Wow. Wheat farming. You can see goats. Thank
today people are just passing free of charge here because this is just open. Free traveling. Is it because of the train strike? There's a train strike, so there's no one attending to these barriers. I need a toilet. I need a toilet. Free train ride today, I tell you.
The next train to arrive at platform 6 will be the 10:55 Lugo service to London.